Uh, it's been 9 months, sad, true, disheartening. India has lost one of its most famous investors, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, a common friend and a very dear friend of yours. What do you miss about him?
First of all, on budget day, it was very hard for all of us. I know a lot of people in his office. We all, as friends, get together for a post-budget party. And I mean, the most sought after opinion on budget day was always his. And, Nikunj, is actually astonishing how many budgets he got right, starting with Madhu Danwade's budget to the last Sitaraman's budget, where he said the bull market's continuing. I don't care what anyone says. He always seemed to be on the right side of the budgetary moves. He was always bullish on India. I think some of the lessons uh, we learned from him still resonate very deeply within me. I miss him in so many aspects. I miss him as a friend because we were socialized together. I miss him as an investment guru who taught us how to think, taught us how to look at Indian markets. And I miss him as a strategist, someone who actually put into my head that be bullish in India. You need to understand what's going on. It's very easy to be cynical. So there are many, many facets of Rakesh I missed. And I think just to add to the last question that he did, I actually did his compounding returns in his career. I think there is nobody in the history of the stock market or the history that has compounded wealth at a bigger rate than he has in the world. I'm saying that he started with 5,000 rupees, Nikunj, as you know, and he ended up with $5 billion plus. And I'm being charitable; it's probably more than that. That gives you a dollar compound rate of about 45-50%. A dollar compounded rate. Warren Buffett compounds at 20 to 23%, and he's on every magazine cover in the world in dollar terms. And here's a guy who 30 years did it at about 40-50%. So he's truly iconic, truly one of a kind. And I'm very grateful to the government of India to honor him with the Padma Shri as they did recently. And, he will always be missed, but his learnings in terms of, how to approach the market, how to think about businesses will always stay with us. And as they say, a teacher affects eternity because his legacy never stops, and neither will his.